Take a deep breath and let the world slow down. You're home now, safe, warm, and surrounded by peace. Let the soft crackle of this fire ease your thoughts. With every flicker, every gentle spark, feel your stress melt away. This isn't just background noise. It's a moment of stillness, a chance to pause, unwind, and simply be. Whether you're heading to sleep, looking to focus, or just need calm after a long day, this fireplace sound is here to hold you. No distractions, no noise, just the comforting rhythm of fire. Press play and let the calm begin.